Welcome to Suffolk County Music Service's final presentation of the Greatest Showman Medley Part 3. In this lesson, we're going to practice what we learned for the last two sessions and then learn the final part of the Greatest Showman Medley so we can play the whole piece. So let's begin by getting our instruments warmed up.
Here is Mr. Murphy to teach us the new note that we need for the next section of the Greatest Showman.
E note, fourth string from the floor, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4, fret 2. So it's string 4, fret 2, E note.
And here again is Mr. Murphy, who is going to explain the rhythm we need to play the new section of the Greatest Showman.
Let's have a look at our first rhythm. We've got a 1 bar counting, then we've got this new rhythm, and I like to use the word skipping. Skipping, 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 skipping. Look at it 4 times. Let's have a listen. Skipping, 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 skipping. Okay, let's play it on the guitar now. We're going to play it on an E note. That's what I've got E written down here. Okay, let's have a look at our next rhythm. I like to use the word diddy and, or the words I should say, and we're going to do that 4 times. I've got the and in brackets because we're not going to replay the note on the and, we're just going to let that E note ring on because there's a dotted note here. Okay, let's have a listen to it. Diddy and, diddy and, diddy and, diddy and. Now let's try and play it on the E note. It helps to say the ands, that'll keep us in time. Diddy and, diddy and, diddy and, diddy and. Okay, let's have a look at this new rhythm. We've got skipping 2 and diddy and 4. So it's using the rhythms we just looked at. Let's have a listen. Skipping 2 and diddy and 4. Skipping 2 and diddy and 4. Obviously both these 2 bars are the same. Just to help us practice, we're doing it twice. So let's play that on the E note. Remember, we're not playing on the and, or not replaying the note E on the and, we're just letting that ring on the diddy and. Vary that last rhythm a little bit. We're going to add in some ties. As you can see, after skipping we've got a note that's tied to the beginning of beat 2. So we're not going to replay the E, that's why it's in a bracket. Just going to let it ring on from the previous time we played it. So we're going to count it the same, but with just certain points, like here again, we've got a tie where we're not going to replay the note, we're just going to let it ring on. So we're not going to play or replay at the beginning did. We're going to play on the D, not on the and not on the 4, because the note's tied across there. Okay, we're just going to let the note ring on. Just not going to replay it. Let's have a listen to it, I think that'll help. Skipping 2 and diddy and 4. Skipping 2 and diddy and 4. Okay, let's play that on the E note.
Here is the music that we learned in the first 2 weeks. Can you remember how to sing and play along?
We are now going to sing along to the final part of This Is Me.
Here is Mr. Morley to demonstrate the final instrumental section. Have a listen, pause the video, try to play the music at your own tempo, then see if you can play along.
Don't forget to pause and rewind as many times as you like before we play the whole piece. Before we start, here's a reminder of all the different sections we will need to sing and play. First of all, we play our instruments in the introduction. We then sing Rewrite the Stars.
What if we rewrite the stars?
We play the first part of This Is Me. Then we sing This Is Me.
Look out, 'cause here I come.
We then play the second part of This Is Me. And then we sing the final part of This Is Me to finish.
Oh, 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 this is me.
Well done everyone, you've done a fantastic job listening and playing along with each tutor, and you've taken the time to pause and practice along the way. Remember, you can watch any part of this or any other of our videos as many times as you like. Why not perform your own concert at home playing all your favourite pieces that you've learnt with us? Keep up the good work and look out for more playing opportunities on our website.